Copy. Got this 4-ship.
Negative, that chopper's still alive.
Motherfucker.
I could pop a sidewinder at him, mate.
3-2, Overlord, Bra, 111, 445 at 19,000 knots.
Now he's down.
Overlord, pop-up group, 126,
Still alive.
at 1,000
What?
knots.
Sidewinder at him.
Magic, Demon 1-1.
There's no way he survived that. No way.
Send it.
He's got fucking hand.
I'm en route to Burst Land with some troops. Do you have eyes on if we've got any hostile SAMs or AAA down there?
Stand by.
074.
How close do I have to be to the airfield? It's like within 2 miles, isn't it?
I believe so.
8 mile.
3-2, Overlord, Bra, 09.
Nuts. 109 for 5.
One.
Angel 6. Merged.
Copy.
Uzi, 3-2, Overlord, Bra, 094.
Fox one.
There's also an Mi-26 helicopter in y'all's area. Angels 1. So I would ignore that radar contact.
Overlord, pop-up group, 12845 at 1,000
Splash. Target splash.
knots.
Flashes
Nuts. 107.
Uzi, 3-2,
3.6. Angels 8. Merged.
Copy.
460 at 24,000 cold.
Tourniquet.
Uzi, 3-2, Overlord, Bra,
Fox 1.
06 for 1.7.
Splash.
Angels 2. He's getting on your 6. Go defensive.
Uzi, 3-2, Overlord, merged.
Tourniquet to go defensive. Nuts. 328 for 1.
Pop-up group, 062,
Angels 9 plus 7.
7,000 cold.
I got him locked, Tawny, but I don't want to fire because he's on your
Right.
ass.
Someone just shot at him.
Did you just flare?
Nope.
Flare for me?
One flare out.
Copy. I see you. Roger. Fox 3. Oh, whatever the fucking that is.
Demon's been engaged by hostile
Tourniquet, stay
F5.
defensive.
Fox, he
Good job,
splashed.
boys. You're clear. Stand by.
Tawny, are you still alive, mate?
Yeah, man, it's still up. I'm on your
Right.
6.
Nuts. Helicopter. 12 o'clock. Angel 6.
12 o'clock, what bearing?
0.6.
Splash.
Uzi, 3-2, Overlord, Bra, 062, 480 at 20.
Demon, I would recommend turning right approximately 20 degrees to avoid the AAA directly to your east.
You see him flaring, Tawny?
Copy that.
Yep, yep. Coming in.
Yeah, roger. He's in front of me. I'm just flying over him. I've got burners.
Fox 2.
Here we go. He's so dead. Fuck, how much has he taken?
That hit him right in the blades, man. He's on fire. He's fucked. He's down.
Yes,
Flash.